Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and this video is about this caterpillar generator and complaint of this generator that its alternator is not working. So now I'm going to check why its alternator is not working. So first I start the generator. So now I will stop the generator and will remove this alternator and check what is the problem of this alternator. So viewers, now you can see I have removed the alternator from the generator, and now I'm going to dismantle this alternator and I will check uh, why this alternator is not charging. So this new alternator, I went on the leaves, but behind me and all the other electricians have changed this alternator, but only after 15 days. After 50 days alternator is finished. This is not charging, so I'm going to remove this, dismantle this alternator. So here you can see, here are the one plate, here are the 5 bolt, these are the 10 mm 5 bolt. I remove this bolt, and here are all the connections. So I check all the connections, where is the problem. So I will use this my 10 mm spawner. So I will remove these all 5 bolt. So as you can see, now I have removed the plate from these are 3, you can see 3 wires. These are the stator coil wires. Okay, so I check the continuity of this one, and here you can, this one is our regulator, and these 2 wires, this one and this one, these 2 wires coming from the router coil. These are the router coils. Okay, so I check also continuity of these coils, this coil is okay or not, and there's also stator coils, and this one is our router coils. Okay, so I check all the wires, all the connections, and oh shit. Oh, so I just, so no need to check these connections. So this wire is broken. Oh, so yes, you can see I just only checking, during checking I found this wire is just, it was connected here, so I just remove. So this wire is broken. So maybe due to this wire broken, so this is a coil coming from the router side. Okay, so this wire is coming from the router, so this wire is broken from here. So therefore maybe I not sure, but first I fix this wire. I will solder this wire here first, and then I will check my alternator is okay or not okay. But first of all, before checking the connections, when I was only checking, physically was checking, so this wire is come out from this joint. So first I will fix this wire. I think maybe this wire has the problem. So first I fix this wire, then I fix this alternator, and we'll check, maybe the problem is this one. So my alternator is, so viewers, you can see now I have fixed new wire clump here. Okay, so after I put this tape, wrap tape here, I put the wrap tape here, and after I will fix it, and then I fix back to the generator. Then I check this alternator is working or not. So my work is finished. I just only fix a new clamp, because I have removed this one's old wire clump, old. I have removed it and fix here new one, because here was broken one wire. So now I have fixed back this wire and fixed this bolt here. So now I'm going to fix this plate back, and after it I will fix this alternator to back to the generator and checking the charging. So here's after repairing this alternator, now I have fixed back to the generator. So now I'm going to start the generator and check it's working or not. So here's I have started the generator, and now I will monitor the alternator voltages. So here you can see the alternator voltages are 24.9. Now its voltages are 25. Now is at 21. So it's mean 25.1. It's mean these are the normal battery voltages, not alternator voltage. It's mean alternator is not still charging. So it mean I will remove this alternator and send back to the shopkeeper and will claim for the new alternator. So as you can see, I have fixed an other alternator to this generator. Actually this generator is not original Caterpillar generator. This I removed from the other machine, and by making little modifications, because this generator is not charging without this bulb. So I have fixed a bulb and made modification and fixed this alternator to this generator, because this generator is urgently, we need to repair it. This generator is working on a crash, therefore we urgently need to repair it. So I fixed this alternator to this generator. Now I'm going to on the generator. Now generator is on and this bulb is lights up. When generator will in running position and this alternator will start charging, so this bulb become off. So now I'm going to start the generator. Okay, so now you can have a start the generator. So the generator is starting. So I will monitor its voltages. So you can, its voltage are 26.1. So it means this alternator have starting charging. Okay, so now this alternator is have starting the charging. So here you can see this bulb become off. This bulb become off, it's mean my alternator is starting to cross the batteries. So my problem is finished. So my problem is finished, but when my new alternator will come, then that alternator will fix back this generator. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and